Thermostat wires falling out of wire nuts later is one of the most annoying heating and air conditioning problems that can mess up your whole system. So, here's the thing. When you're working with thermostat wiring, it's super important to make sure those wires stay put inside the wire nuts. First off, don't just twist the wires with pliers or your fingers like you're in a rush. It can mess with the wire strands and make the connection weak. Instead, strip the insulation carefully, about 3/4 of an inch, so you have plenty of bare wire to work with. Then, twist the wires together tightly by hand before screwing on the wire nut. It should feel snug and not spin around easily. Using the right size wire nut is key too, because if it's too big or small, it won't hold properly. After twisting on the wire nut, give a gentle tug on each wire to check if they're secure. That's a quick way to avoid future problems. If you want added peace of mind, some pros like to use a little electrical tape around the wire nut to keep it from loosening over time. Lastly, always double check your connections before putting everything back into the thermostat box so you're not left guessing why your heat or AC isn't working later on. One of the biggest thermostat wiring issues is loose connections that cause intermittent heating and air conditioning failures. Fix this by making sure wires are twisted tightly and using the correct wire nuts. Another common mistake is stripping too little or too much insulation, which either prevents a solid connection or leaves exposed wire that can short out. Strip about 3/4 of an inch for best results. Lastly, using old or damaged wire nuts can cause wires to slip out later on, so always use fresh ones designed for thermostat wiring and avoid reusing them from previous jobs. BigHomeProjects.com is your go-to spot if you're hunting for trusted local contractors who really know how to handle heating and air conditioning fixes right. Plus, if you're a contractor looking to score more work, they help you connect with homeowners who need your skills, making it easier for everyone to get the job done right.